Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and as you can see, Mr. Paulapenyo is sitting at the table with a confused look on his face because he has no idea of what's going on. And you'll notice I'm not in the picture because this is not a video about me. This is a video about him.
Wait, what?
And like I say, he has no idea what's going on. In front of him is a box. A plain white, flat rate box.
Why do I feel like I'm in Saw?
And it's something for him that he needs to open up. And since he hasn't kept up on my latest videos, he has no idea what's in it. And we were talking chocolate bootlegs getting from Charles and that kind of stuff, but he's thinking there might be something like that in it.
It's really heavy, so I'm not entirely certain. But, oh god. Oh god, oh god. Ooh. Hey. I was really startled for a second. I thought it was going to be a box of just bootlegs. So, these are from Scott Tippett. These are some of his super hot jams, and it looks like he sent over a sample of some things. We've got, I'm not entirely sure, this Swamp Bugs Kiwi Gator Jigsaw Jam. Okay.
Jigsaw is the name of a pepper, by the way.
Okay, just making sure. A lemon starburst. Ooh, that looks good.
With the King Star Starburst.
Yes. Habanero blueberry. Ooh, I liked this one. Scott, I did get to try this one. Rob let me try some of this one time. Loved the crap out of it. So I appreciate you for sending that one. You're doing good, man. We've got 7-pot bubblegum strawberry jam. That sounds interesting. Like, really interesting. Strawberry bubblegum spicy jams. We've also got the apricot lemon starburst jam. I'm assuming that's again with the Kangstar lemon starburst, but that does. All of these are looking really good. Now I'm gonna have to eat toast every day for breakfast.
Well, of course, or lunch or dinner or whatever.
And a Trinidad and strawberry banana jam. That's going to be hot, I'm going to guess. But either way, it's probably going to be delicious. It's from Scott. He does a really good job with all of his jams. I've got to try quite a few of them over the pepper tastings and things with Rob. And I've enjoyed all of them so far. So good job, Scott. It doesn't look like he left any more surprises in the box. But I appreciate this, Scott. Thank you very much. Again, for everyone who's watching, this is Tippets Super Hot. He's got a website for this, correct? But
PLC Marketplace.
DLC Marketplace.
PLC, yep.
PLC, excuse me. But either way, thank you very much, Scott. As you can see, he's got a nice little card there for you. That comes with every box. And I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Alrighty. So I had to get a little bit of a surprise on him because I owed him one for something other. And he doesn't know about the peppers that came yet. Well, now he does. So he doesn't know that there were 4 boxes in the package and one of them contained pods. So
no dear.
So yeah.
It sounds like we're going to be playing a game of which one contains my death.
Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But anyway, I just wanted to have a little fun with him and put him on the spot without him having any time to rehearse or knowing what he was doing. So yeah, with that said, I'm going to close this out. I want to thank you much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. You know, like, subscribe, notification, comments below. Usually get back to people within a day or so. And with that, I'm going to say bye.